Mull over. Think carefully about something before making a decision. I need some time to mull over your idea. She mulled over the offer before saying yes. Kick off. Start an event, activity, or process. The program will kick off at 10 in the morning. Let's kick off the meeting with a quick introduction. Lay off. Stop doing something that may be harmful or unnecessary. You should lay off junk food if you want to stay healthy. He decided to lay off smoking for his health. Bail out. Leave a place or situation quickly. I started feeling bored, so I bailed out of the meeting early. He didn't like the vibe, so he bailed out of the party. Brush off. Ignore something or not take it seriously. She just brushed off my question like it didn't matter. Don't brush off your teacher's advice, it can help you. Chicken out. Decide not to do something because you suddenly feel scared. I wanted to speak in front of everyone, but I chickened out. He planned to try the ride, but he chickened out at the last moment. Dig into. Start doing something with energy and focus. Let's dig into this work and finish it quickly. She dug into her food because she was very hungry. Freak out. Become very nervous, scared, or overly excited. I freaked out when I saw how difficult the exam was. Don't freak out, we can solve this problem together. Give away. Show or reveal something, often a secret or feeling. His smile gave away his real feelings. Be careful not to give away the surprise. Hang on to. Keep something safe or not let it go. Hang on to your phone, or you might drop it. I will hang on to this memory forever. Narrow down. Reduce many choices to a smaller number. We need to narrow down our options before choosing one. I narrowed down the list to just 3 good ideas. Pass up. Decide not to take an opportunity. Don't pass up this chance, it may not come again. He passed up a great job offer, and later he regretted it. Run into. Meet someone unexpectedly without planning. I ran into my old friend at the market yesterday. She ran into her teacher while shopping. Sort out. Solve a problem or organize something properly. I will sort out this issue as soon as possible. Let's sort out this mess before anyone sees it. Turn down. Refuse or say no to something. He turned down the job offer because it was too far. She politely turned down the invitation. Back out. Decide not to do something you agreed to earlier. He backed out of the plan at the last minute. Don't back out now, we really need you. Call off. Cancel something that was already planned. They called off the meeting because of bad weather. The match was called off due to heavy rain. Drop by. Visit someone for a short time without planning much. I will drop by your house in the evening. She dropped by after work just to say hello. Figure out. Understand something or find a solution. I will figure out how to fix this problem. He figured out the answer after thinking for a while. Hold back. Stop yourself from showing feelings or doing something. She held back her tears in front of everyone. Don't hold back your ideas, share them freely. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.